Welcome back to the forge. Today we're making a reenactment safe spear. The first step is to isolate the socket from the blade over the horn of the anvil. Then I even out this taper so that it's more linear. I turn it on its corner and I start to spread the socket. First using the flat of the hammer, then as it thins using the cross peen to spread it more aggressively. When it's nearly at dimension, I use the flat again to remove the cross peen marks. To start rounding the socket, I use a hardy swage to support the curve, and then bring the edges of the socket all the way around. This leaves an unsightly gap near the neck of the spear, so back to the flat of the anvil to start closing that up. Then I finish closing it up on the horn. To complete the socket, I use a mandrel to round it off. To start the blade, I isolate the material I need over the horn. I then straighten up the sides of this reverse taper. I turn it on its corner and I start flattening down the blade. I further spread this using the horn to support the blade and then flatten it on the face of the anvil. I cut off the spear, leaving a blob on the end, which I then round off. I give it a quick tidy up on the grinders, take any sharp edges off. Then I put it back in the fire and let it cool slowly to scale up and cover up the grinding marks. When it's still warm, I give it a rub of beeswax and vegetable oil to blacken it, and here's the finished reenactment safe spear.